Hi everyone, welcome to the class 2 of our Facebook ads course. In today's class, we are diving deep into the core principles that lay the foundation for successful ad campaign. We will cover three major areas that are essential for any advertiser looking to master Facebook ads. So first we will start by setting up the essential, including creating a business manager account and understanding how to add payments at different levels. Whether you are managing ads for yourself or clients, it is important to get these steps right to keep your campaign running smoothly. So the second topic in this class is campaign objective. Choosing the right objective is key to achieving your marketing goals. We will explore the secrets behind selecting the best objectives, break down each campaign type, and take a closer look at how Facebook ads auction work. By the end of this section, you will have a clear understanding of which objective align with the different stages of your customer journey. Lastly, we will get familiar with Facebook account structure. From campaign down to ad set and ads, we will discuss the best practices for organizing your campaigns, configuring ad sets element like budget and targeting, and ensuring your ads comply with Facebook ads policies. So let's jump into the screen and get started. So first of all, we will discuss about how to create a business manager and how to manage ad account, Facebook pages and Instagram pages, WhatsApp, everything in under one Facebook business manager. Whenever you create a Facebook ID, you must have a personal ad account. But the problem is we need a professional business manager, all right, or we need professional business suite. So we go here and now we will just select on the settings. Here is a business suite. You need to click on setting, and from authenticator I will get the code from authenticator. Okay, 403769. We'll move to the next page, and here you can see business portfolio. Here is your business portfolio. Everything that you are managing, you will see here under one roof. Everything, ad account, pages, applications, your data sources, everything you will see here. So what we need to do, first of all, we can discuss about the people, how you can give access to any person you want to give access. So here you can just invite people. Here you put their email address and just go to the next. For example, I will put my email, and I will put my email, and I will show you how you can do that. No need to click on this. If you want to give a temporary access, then you can click on it, otherwise no need. So here you can see the basic access, partial access, or full control over here. Or you want to give a application and integration access only to manage that. So we can give everything full control access. For example, here we can select the page, ad account, or anything, like everything you can select here. It's not selected, we can give a separate access to that. So here we need to go, and here you can give a full access, again full access, and manage pixel, everything, because I'm giving to myself, so that's why I'm doing this. Otherwise you can read, and you can give us specific access, like you want to give access for your Facebook page, or you want to give access only for your Instagram page, you want to give access only for ad, and in ad you want to give a specific access in your ad account. So you can do that as well. When I will click on send invitation, the invitation will be go through, and the other person will receive an email and he will accept that. So I will cancel this right now, yes, close. And here you can see, here is the pages. I'm just showing you how it look like, how the dashboard look like. I will show you as well how to create the new business portfolio, business suite as well. So here you can add any existing Facebook page, or request anyone to share any specific Facebook page, or create a new Facebook page as well. Alright, so let's go to the another section, is ad account. Here you can also create same thing. You can do that. You can claim an existing ad account. If you have existing ad account, you have already created an ad account, so you can get that access here as well. And you can create a new ad account, or request to share an ad account. You can request to anyone to get access, or give access to any other agencies as well. All right, so here is the business assets. You have some business assets as well, and in here you can group the multiple pages in. If you have multiple pages, multiple ad account in under one business portfolio, you can group here and set a permission according to that. And here is the Instagram account, and here WhatsApp account. Same thing, how I explained to you how you can get access to ad account and pages. You can do that here for WhatsApp and Instagram as well. So here is the data source. In catalog, you can create a catalog. For example, you have products that you are selling, you can create a catalog here. Here is the pixel, you can see your pixel here, but how you can create here. We will explain the data sets at pixel in the upcoming videos in this course. Right now I will let you know how to create a business portfolio. So here you can see my multiple business portfolios, and here we can create a business portfolio from here, and you can select the first name, last name, business email, and it will be created. And when you will create that business portfolio, you will see these things because I don't need right now, so I will not create that, but it's very simple. It's not a rocket science, so you can simply create from here. All right, from how you can do that, simply you need to go Meta Business Suite. For example, I go to my ID, and from ID I will show you how you can go there. For example, you are here and you can go Meta Business Suite from here, and from here you can simply go to settings, and in setting you can see business portfolio, and here you have multiple options. And now let's discuss about the payment method, how we can add that at different levels and in different settings. First of all, we are in business portfolio, so we can go from here. When you click on billing and payment, you can see here you can add the payment method here, and you can see the payment activities here. You can see your ad account selected in your business portfolio. So if you are not in business portfolio, if you want to add a payment method in ad account, if you are in ad account level, so simply go in ad account. We can add a payment method from here as well. Simply go to billing and payment. If you are not able to see this, simply go here and you can see the billing and payments. All right, so if you want to not to go from here, you can go to ad account settings, and in ad account setting you can also see payments. Here you can see payment settings, so simply you can go here and you can see your payment method also. My payment method also added here, so you can add yours here, and you can see the history as well. Simply click on add payment method, and you can add debit card or add credit as well. If you have add credits, if you get the credits from Facebook, you can apply that here. Simply go add credit code. Maybe you have that, you can do that as well. So always make sure you have a backup payment method added here. In any case your default payment method declined, so you have a backup. Now let's discuss about our second topic, which is campaign objective. So first of all, we will go to ads manager, and we will create our campaign first of all, and we will see the campaign's objective here. So here we will discuss what type of campaign objectives we have. From here you can see awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, sales, and each of these objective, it has their goals, different goals you can select from here. Like for example, if you are in awareness campaign, you can do with the reach, brand awareness, video views, store location awareness as well. There is a difference between reach and brand awareness. For example, if you want to share your ads to one user in multiple times, so you can select the brand awareness and your KPIs, you have to keep your eyes on frequency. More frequency you have, it's mean your brand awareness campaign is running good. And in reach, we only focus how many users our campaign reach maximum time. And in this case, in reach campaigns, your frequency not more than 1 or 1.2, 1.3 is good. Here is the traffic campaigns. You can in traffic you want to bring users to your website, landing page, Instagram profiles, or you want to bring more audience to your Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp chats as well, or you want to increase your calls, you can select this as well. In engagement, it has a different options. So these all campaign objectives depend on your goals. If you are in stage of brand awareness, if you are in the stage of consideration, or if you are in the stage of conversion, it depends on you which campaign you want to go with. Awareness stage, you can go with the awareness campaigns. In consideration, you can go with the engagement campaigns. And if you are in the conversion stage, you can go with the sales or lead campaigns as well. So here is the difference between them. We will discuss about these in upcoming videos. If you have any concerns, if you have any questions about them, comment below. I will create another videos. Now let's discuss about the Facebook ad auction and Facebook reservation, how it work, how Facebook ad auction work. Let's discuss about this first. When you are scrolling into the Facebook feeds, you have seen a lot of ads in same similar ads you have seen multiple times. For example, if you are interested in real estate, so you have seen a lot of advertisers who are advertising in Facebook, and you are seeing their ads. All right, so how it works, how Facebook identify and find out whose advertiser Facebook has to show first. So it not only depend on their budgets, it depend on your Facebook ad quality, your creatives quality, your copies, and it also depend on the data system as well. User data mean Facebook has a lot of data. It depend on the probability. Facebook target to the users on the basis of probability, and like probability of taking actions on the specific link or on specific call to actions. So it depend on your targeting strategy as well, and with that you have to make sure your bidding strategy is good, you are doing a good bidding, and or you are leaving it open. And most important thing that we need to consider, which is ad copy. Our ad copy has to be up to the mark and align with the Facebook ad policy as well. Like the auction depend on the time, like user have, it depend on user, maybe user scroll for 1 minute, or maybe user scroll for 1 hour or 3 hours. It depend on the user. So it the fight is between the agencies or the marketers is for the time, who want to show you their ads for the first interaction the user have on Facebook or specific day. User when come on the Facebook feed, so which marketers ads will show, the fight is that. Alright, so fight is for the time. Now let's discuss about the Facebook ad reservation. How reservation work? Like reservation gives you the ability to plan and reserve awareness and engagement campaign with a fixed cost per reservation. For example, like you give the fixed cost to Facebook and tell to Facebook it's my fixed cost, and that is the place that I want, and I take that payment. You have to pay first, and then your campaigns will run. So Facebook will give you a predictions what type of results you will get. So this is the reservations, but we don't use this. We mostly work on Facebook ad auction. In ads account hierarchy, don't be confused in different stages. Like for example, if you are in business portfolio, you don't need to be worried about that. What is that? It's a business suite or business portfolio. We call that at under one business manager there are ad account. In one business manager there are Facebook page, in one business manager there are Instagram, WhatsApp, we already talked about, and in one ad account there are campaigns level, there are ad set level, and there are ad creative level. I will show you. We have already talked about business manager. Under business manager you will find out the ad account and Facebook page, Instagram account, your applications, your website connections, your pixel, everything you will find out in one business manager. So it's more professional. You will manage that things like that, and don't work with the separate tools. Here, for example, if we go with the awareness campaign, you will see. I just want to show you the hierarchy, Facebook account hierarchy, Facebook ad account hierarchy. So here you can see, here is the campaign level, here is the ad set level, here is the creative level, where you will add pictures, videos, carousel. You will add your copies, text like that, and these things you will find out here. And in ad set, you will find out the targeting options. If you haven't seen my video on the detailed targeting, so please check on my channel. You will find out that, and it's a very detailed about detailed targeting. You can see that, and here you can do that things like location targeting, demographic targeting. You will see the interest targeting, you will see everything, lookalike audience, custom audience, everything you will create here. In campaign level only, you see the campaign objectives, auction settings, categories. If you are like in housing, credit, social issues, employment related, if you are running that type of campaigns, then you need to select these options. And here you can see the advantage campaign budget optimization, is also called CBO, campaign budget optimization. So these are 3 levels. So don't be confused anything before we starting. And one more thing, in under one ad account you will have multiple ad campaigns, but in under one campaign you will have multiple ad sets, multiple ad creatives. For example, in under one campaign you want to duplicate and you want to create a multiple ad sets. For example, if you want to target the each interest in each ad set, you don't want to combine all your targeting interest in one ad set, so you can duplicate that, which is I highly recommend that for creating campaigns if you want to find your best performing audience. So make sure in each ad set you have one interest. So here we will duplicate it, and you can see original or campaign, duplicate your ad set into the same campaign, or existing campaign, duplicate your ad sets into another campaign. So we want to add different ad sets in original campaign that we already have, and how many copies you want. Right now we can do one. And here you can see, here is the campaign, here is the number one ad set, here is the copy. You can change the name. Obviously you have every time whenever you create a campaigns and different duplicate ad set, so make sure every ad set have different name. Put interest name. All right, so any interest you are targeting, add here in the ad set level. And same with the ad creatives level. Here you can also create a multiple ad creatives under one ad set. Like under one campaign you can have a multiple ad sets where you can do a targeting, but under one ad set you can also create a multiple ad creatives. For example, you want to duplicate this, so original campaign, we will do one more. So here you can see under one ad set we have two ad creative, you can also say that. So here's how this structure work, this hierarchy work. So we will discuss about these things in future in upcoming videos as well. While creating a Facebook ads campaign, let's discuss about the best practices for organizing the campaigns. Use a consistent naming convention. Develop a naming system for your campaign, ad sets and ads that reflect your objectives, dates and audiences. This makes it easier to manage and report on your campaigns. Secondly, group similar objectives together. For better tracking, organize campaign by objectives. For example, one campaign for brand awareness and another for lead generations. Third, leverage campaign level budget optimization. Set up your budget at the campaign level so Facebook can automatically allocate more budget to the best performing ad sets. Now it's the time of Facebook ads policies. To run successful Facebook ads, you must understand and follow Facebook advertising policies. Let's discuss about the overview of Facebook ads review process. Number one is automated and manual reviews. Once you submit an ad, Facebook review it to ensure it complies with their policies. The review process usually takes up to 24 hours but can be faster. Secondly, here are some common policy violations that you should know. Some reasons why ads are disapproved that include use of misleading or false content. Secondly, inappropriate or restricted content, for example, adult content or discriminatory practices. Thirdly, violating community standards, for example, hate speech or harassment. And now let's discuss about the best practices for creating compliant ads. Number one is understanding restricted content. Some content categories, for example, alcohol, gambling, have extra requirements. Make sure you meet these if applicable. Number two is avoid sensationalism. Ads should be clear and honest. Avoid exaggerated claims, clickbait, or misleading content. Number three is use appropriate targeting. Ensure your audience targeting aligns with Facebook's guidelines, especially for sensitive topics like healthcare or financial products. I know that one thing or one question you should have in your mind: how to appeal and resolve disapproved ads. Number one is if your ad is disapproved, review the specific reason given in the notification. Number two, edit and resubmit. Make the necessary changes to comply with policies and resubmit your ads for review. Number three is appeal and decision. If you believe your ad was wrongly disapproved, you can request a review by contacting Facebook ad support. But I will suggest you stay updated on Facebook's evolving ad policies. Changes happen regularly, so it's important to review policy updates to ensure your ads stay compliant. This class is designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of Facebook campaign fundamentals. The focus is on setting a strong foundation in managing campaigns, understanding objectives, and organizing your ad account for maximum efficiency and compliance. So thank you for connecting with me. If you have any question, please write in comment below and we will meet in next class. Thank you so much.